welcome back to the Backyard Farmer. It's been a long time I haven't done any video, so I'm going to show you how I did for 2022. And here we got some flower pot, everything in here. And I want to show you guys my greenhouse. See what I got in the greenhouse. Okay, here is this greenhouse here. I got heated, so I have 2,000 lazy enter. And here I have 1,000 lazy enter. I got some snapdragon growing there, but this I decided to. I'm not gonna pinch it, so I think this I gonna get flower at the beginning. And this over here, I pinch it, so it's actually supposed to get you more flower, but this gonna be like slower than this one. But they come at the same time. And I got some Dahlia. These are patio Dahlias. I have about 600 of this. So here, I got some over there. It's ready to go to the market. This field here, I grow about 300 Dahlia in here. So we planted like a couple days ago. So I will show you guys how they look when they actually come out. And this I plant tomato. It's kind of a little late start. I cut it this year. I did a lot of flowers, so I planted this about a week ago. So some of this in my flower pot. This ready to go to the market too. So and this field right here, I got a lot of Celosia. So I got about maybe over 1,000 plants. Got some snapdragon over there. And over there, so it's my peony. I got 700 plants. I got cucumber, bell pepper, zucchini, and eggplant. So I think everything come up pretty good. I see a couple little cucumber and flower. And we also got more Dahlia down here. And we got more Dahlia. We got some seed started. We got some of those static, some Celosia, a lot of different kinds. And the next couple of days, I will do another video and show you guys see how this everything have come out. Okay, and please subscribe. Thank you.